thought I'd do something nice for Ali tonight because she is constantly, she's still going back to that perch every single night. It's across the room from where she sleeps. She really wants to sleep on it, I think. So I've decided to do this. I've decided to put her cage up on top of that other big cage so that blue perch that she likes to sit on pokes through into her cage so that maybe she can sleep on it tonight. She doesn't know what to think of it at the moment, but I'll try and get her in the cage and see if she goes on it or not. Yeah, she didn't like it. I tried like about 6 or 7 times to try and get her in there, and she kept coming back, flying back in. And now she's really confused because she hasn't figured out that I moved her cage over there. She thinks her cage has gotten up and walked off on its own. She's so adorable there, look at her. Oh, don't worry, babe, I'm going to move it back over here in a second. You're not homeless. It's okay. Don't fall down there, don't fall down there. Come on. Let's get you to safety, okay? I don't want you falling down the side. Okay, you can sit on me if you want. Well, would you bobs the head up and down? Even Kermit's concerned about you. I'm going to move your house back over here, okay? Let me move you away from there, though. I don't want you falling. Okay? Oops. Gosh. Oh, phew. So I was going to drop her. You just wait there a minute, okay? Okay, babe, let's try this again. Come on, babe. Step up onto my finger. There you go. Here we go. And your cage is back where it was. Okay. Have a lovely night, babe. And they're back together again. So that's why I don't get it. So I generally don't know whether... I don't know whether they like each other or not. It drives me crazy, birds do. Because this is their behaviour in general. Because it's like... She sometimes feels safe being near him. Even though he'll, like, peck at her like crazy. Or maybe it's just that they're like hanging out. Sometimes I really don't get bird behaviour. It drives me nuts, it does. I love them dearly though.